the raw material comes, is being stored outside, and here it's a second cut. So what is left is stored here. Here, this is the off size that we keep.
Okay.
Then this is a circular, so it's obligated for us to have this. So we can do all this final processing while changing the blade, or we can get from the raw material till the final product. So once the piece, the plank, as the timber has been cut, plus plus the planing, we will come. This is a combined machine. If this table goes down, then it becomes a planer. And then this is a thicknesser. Here we have a mortizer on the side, dust extractors, splinter molder with the minimum tools for grooves, moldings, and so I made a selection for the minimum. So this can be placed on this thing we can change. So we have, it's more versatile. This machine is very nice, but it's quite dangerous. We need a feeder. Without the feeder, we can risk our fingers. Here, this is a small tenon machine. We can make the tenons directly on this machine. It's a very, very nice machine. Then benzo for the what is all the curves and all. This is a copy tool which is continuously on the machine. This is a bearing, and this copies the jigs that we are doing. So we can do small series of pieces. Bench press, very important. This is another machine we have to put on for work. It's like the benzo, but a little more thin, and we can make a lot of small toys and things. Lathe machine is the last machine we got. We got it just after the lockdown, so everybody is liking this machine. Now, in terms of power tools, I have a preference is test tool because it's precise. People agree that it changes life because it's very precise.
Okay.
So it's precise, and all these furnitures has emergency and dust extractor, so healthcare and safety, the minimum. We try to keep safety shoes for everybody. So depends of days also sometimes, but in general, and earplugs for the healthcare. Yeah. So I will show. Rakashana and Nagarajana is the workshop manager. So this is the sharpening happening one way. So with sandpaper, yeah. So after that I will show. So the sanding. So these are Chandigarh chairs. When we were speaking about industry and artisans, for the Chandigarh chair, it's a chair that has been made by multiple artisans to reply to the demand. So it's a very interesting chair. Then we have a nice cabinet. So there will be strips all around here coming. So we recently used veneer, but we were asking for a 0.5 mm veneer because what we find in the market mainly is 0.3 mm. We would have preferred 0.8, but it's difficult to find, which is we have more room in terms of all these beadings. We won't see the, like once we make it flush, we can't go through and see the layer below the layer of thick.
Sure.
So here there is a piece quite organic. We do so. Woodcrafting is about Woodcrafting is about making. I will show you two examples. This is shaping. Yeah. So these are organic shapes. So this is the seats that will be going here.
This is the tarot chair.
Oh, you know, super.
Yeah, of course.
Yes, it is a tarot chair. So it will have it will go this week to one of our customers. And
Amazing.
yeah, so this is one way of working. After that, this is another way of working, cabinet making. And then after that, we also have joinery. So this is a door for Montpellier, France. Arjun. Hello.
Hi.
Zakir, yeah. Can you just put the door? I cannot. Um, so there is two door, and it is been both the side. Can you turn it, Suman? The same. So this door is quite a bit of
Oh.
work to get everything neat and clean. Uh, it's quite a bit of work. So um, when I say wood crafting, it can be cabinet making, shaping, and also pure joinery. So this is what we are
Yeah.
working on. And
I,
so this is my toolbox. Finally, I could gather a little bit the tools.
nice.
Can you just? So you have the rasp,
Yep.
which are very important for the shaping. Then you have the normal chisels, which are very important for the carpentry cut, straight cut. Then the planers, the stones, yeah, very important to have a good stone. So we can do the sharpening the way with the sandpaper, but for my school, I'm more comfortable with those stones, water stones, not oil stones. Then you have all the tools for shaping. So all these small carving. So the minimum for cleaning the corners, giving the shapes is very, very important. Even in carving, there is a process to do things in process-wise. And then you can see here, this is more about carpentry. So when we say carpenter in general, in English, carpenter is more this thread, which is tress. They work more into angles and tress and big pieces,
Yeah.
structural calculations. Uh, when we say cabinet makers, it's more about veneer and cabinets. And then joiners is more about those frames. We joiners, so these are bed rests that will be with Danish cord. So same, if anybody wants to source Danish cord, we are making some Danish cord in dimension. We gather many people to request someone to make Danish cord.
Okay.
Sorry, it's the workshop. We are in full. So here you can see the Leon chair product that are going. We also do some sofa, and again another.
Nice. Looking good.
With furniture, so it maybe can but we have a furniture. The storage is a problem in the carpentry workshop. Always it's a problem.
Yeah. Always
Here
it's going
it
to be a
will
problem.
storage for we have a bar. We have kettle is still there.
Yeah, this is the
Then
pedal.
yeah,
Yeah.
yes, the pedal.
Yeah.
And then we spoke about Ishinamoki, so the pieces are opposite now, but we spoke about the screws. So
Yes. Yes, we
yes,
did.
sometimes the screws are good. We shouldn't say the screws are not
Yeah.
good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Uh, so one more thing that we are doing is out of this waste, we are generating panels like this.
Oh, yes. Lovely.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
yeah. So out of this panel, we do work from home desk.
Ah,
I'm alone. Sorry,
nice.
I
Oh,
put it on the ground.
yeah, yeah, yeah. This is
So it
very
can be
cool.
on a table for a standing desk, or it can be or it can be on the ground when we like to sit and work.
Yeah.
It's a very
Yeah.
nice product.
Yeah, very versatile, I should say.
So yeah, I think yes, I will turn the camera uh, to everyone like who likes woodworking and design, furniture design. Please contact me, and if you're also, as I mentioned, dimension. If you're interested about dimension, also FFSC also. You can follow us on Instagram. We also have a small YouTube channel, but sometimes we post our latest video there. And you can come also to our workshop. You're always welcome. We are very open. We also do workshops for from beginners, hobbyists to advanced skills. If you have anything that you would like to make, which is curve or little twisted, if you do that, we can look into those things. So yeah, you basically I'm very happy to be part of this woodworking community in India, and very happy. Yeah. So
Awesome.
welcome, guys, and I hope to see you.
Awesome. Great, Bram. Thank you so much for being here, and thank you so much for talking so much about BWS and about your journey. And guys, if you like this content, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. And please share this video with all your folks in woodworking. And please do not forget to use the hashtag SWIN, which is Stories of Woodworkers in India. I'm going to see you on the next one. Thank you so much.